Alright, let's get started, guys. And here I have a pizza that I just took out of the oven. You might think from your view right now, guys, that it's burnt, but it's supposed to look that way. It's not burnt and it's really good actually. But I want to sneak this into class. So a good way to do that is to use supplies that you already have. Or maybe you need to buy some supplies that you don't have, but that's okay, guys. It's totally worth it if you're trying to sneak some yummy pizza into class. So for this first one, guys, I logged on to Amazon and I found this. Yeah, it looks like a giant crayon. It's a green crayon, obviously. But if you open it, inside you are gonna find a bunch of crayons, colored pencils, and markers. So it's a really good bundle if you were to buy this. I got this for $11. But if you choose to do this, guys, you can repeat this process over and over again. So let me put my pizza aside for now and work on this box right here. So this crayon box, guys, we are gonna be removing every single item that's in here. Oh, okay, I forgot to mention that also on top, on the tip, you get a little sharpener. But again, we don't need this. So let's get rid of all the stuff that's in there. As you guys can see right here, no more crayons, no more markers, no more colored pencils. It's completely empty. What we need to do now, guys, is get rid of the plastic in the center. Not the sides. For example, this right here, we need to leave that intact. But as you guys can see, the sections where the crayons and colored pencils were, we need to cut off. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna follow along the edge and remove this plastic as we do not need it. Alright, guys, so I removed the plastic on one side. So what you did to one side, you do to the other. So that's what we're gonna do again. Let's get rid of this side. Alright, and there goes the second part of this. Now it's pretty hollow in there. So now let's get our pizza ready, guys, so we can take it into class. Alright, let me get a slice of pizza. And it's only appropriate that I put it here, where the other tip is at. And then I think I can fit another pizza in there. Should I try to fit another pizza in there? I think so. There's our pizza, guys. 3 slices of pizza. Close this up. Look at that, guys. You have this on top of your desk or inside your backpack and you take it out from time to time. All you do is just open it and you have some pizza there that you can enjoy. If you have a couple friends, you can share the other 2 slices with. Or if you're really that hungry, keep them for yourself. Fill up that belly, guys. Do not starve in class. This right here, guys, is a pencil case. I used it in my last video and I got this for 50 cents at Walmart, and you guys might get lucky too and get it on sale, usually around back to school season. Well, anyway, if you were to open it, you would find pencils, pens, and markers. Well, we don't need the contents inside, we just need the pencil case. So we're gonna get rid of all the supplies that are in there and have this be empty. And if you must, please clean it up as your pizza will be going in there. Now you might think, how is a pizza gonna fit in this little box right here? Well, first of all, I wouldn't call it little because, look, I'm gonna remove the cover and see, it's quite large, guys. It might not be wide, but it's actually pretty long. So my pizza of choice will be this squared one right here, guys. I actually just took it out of the oven and I'm gonna cut it to size so that it fits inside this pencil case. So if you must, measure it, guys, and then just start cutting away. I'm gonna take my trusty knife. Alright, we just cut ourselves a piece. Look at that. There's our pizza, and nobody ever said that pizza had to be round, right? We have our piece that we can actually put inside our pencil case. Now this piece of pizza, guys, can actually keep you from starving in class. You might not think it's sufficient, but it'll do the job, guys. If you try to do this, put it back inside the cover, like so. And for this situation, try to wear a long sleeve shirt, as you will tuck the pencil case inside, obviously so the teacher doesn't see it. And that's it, guys. Just keep it under your sleeve. From a bird's eye view, you can't even tell that I have anything underneath, right? But I do. And I'm gonna enjoy my pizza just by pulling out the pencil case. And see, guys? It's on the palm of my hand. And I can actually enjoy this delicious pizza in class. Little by little, it'll be gone within minutes.